Hey YouTube. Alright, let's get ready to do episode 38 of these little videos of me just showing you the things I've picked up doing the Amazon Vine program. Things that I find useful, things that you might find useful, and things you might not have known were on Amazon at all. And you look at it and you're like, man, that's exactly what I need. So, like I said, I always hope these things can help you guys out and maybe let you discover something that you might not have known was there. Or maybe there was something you saw but you didn't know if it was any good, and maybe these little videos help you. So let's just get right into it. Episode 38. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I'm stuffed. Everybody just left to go somewhere. So I've got the place to myself, so I figured I'd do a little video. All right, so this is just a big old bag of these things. And it's probably gonna be real crinkly. The audio is probably gonna pick up all of this. These little DJI cameras have great microphones. So this is a whole pack. There's 3 each of 20, 30, 40, and 50 pound. And they're exercise bands. Feels like good rubber. They've got this little Velcro strap on them that is removable. You take that on and off as needed. Like I said, there's 3 each, 20, 30, 40, and 50 pounds. And there's a little guide here to kind of show you all the different exercises you can do with them. So my wife had some of these, and over time they had stopped being any good. They deteriorated. It was a different brand. I don't know if these are going to do the same thing, but I saw these and I know she was looking for a set anyway, so it worked out good. So that's the first item. Let's go ahead and pack that crinkly thing up and get it out the way. All right, next, let's see what's in the old box. In the box is a bag. Also in the box is a box. And a thing wrapped in some stuff. All right. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Looks like a ball head for a tripod. This looks like an arm. Any guesses what this thing's for? Alright. So this goes like this. On here, I'm guessing. Gotta unscrew this guy here. I'm guessing this goes like this. I'm not really gonna take a look at the instructions just yet, but I assume it goes something like that. And then you have a ball head here if you need it, and a ball head there. So you can put a ball head here. You got a tripod mount ball head here. Got an arm. So what this is going to be for right now, I've got my overhead camera right there. Hello. And I've got it on one of those tripods that have an arm on it, which is cool. It works, except it's right in my way and I'm constantly bumping it. See? Bump, bump, bump. So a lot of my overhead views are bumped around and they're not in the right spot. So this is a tabletop mount stand. So I can mount it to my table out of the way. And that's what it is. So there's the instructions. It's cool, it comes with 2 ball heads. I actually need a ball head for another tripod, and since I won't be using this one, I will cannibalize this guy and put this on the tripod I need it on. So that worked out good, because now I don't have to go look for just a ball head. It's cool, it came with both of them. All right, so you can slide this out if you needed to. And also this slides up and down. And then you can move the arm however you need it. So I'm gonna set this up after this video and shoot my next video with this. And I think this is gonna be so much more convenient than having the tripod right where my knee is, because I'm backed up against the wall, so I can't, and I've got a speaker over here and a table over on this side, speaker this side, table that side, wall there. So the tripod's right here. It's right next to me. See if you can, I'll turn around so you can see it. And I'm constantly hitting it with my legs. So this should eliminate all of that problem. All right, let's just tuck this out the way. All right, let's go to the next thing. Whoop. All right, it's a big old necklace. See that big old necklace? Now this is going to be a hand warmer that you can also wear around your neck. A mini hand warmer. That's all this one is. My wife's, constantly cold all the time, so I'm always getting her little things to warm her up. We've got a battery operated vest. I've got one of those camping chairs from, I think, Sportsman's Warehouse that is also heated. So, she gets in that thing and cranks it up, and she's okay. And I've got her, like I said, some hand warmers and different things. So there's just one more thing to add to her arsenal to try to stay from shivering all the time. All right, I had some kind of mess up with my other camera, so there's no footage from it. All the audio is going to be coming from my overhead camera, so it's just going to sound bad. Sorry about that. All right, what we got here? All right, this is a camera combo cage. I have cages on my DJI Action 4s. I just upgraded that camera up here, top one, to a DJI Action 4. I had the original DJI Action there, and I just didn't like that I had different batteries and accessories were a little different. Mounting system was a little different. So sold it and got another Action 4, and I always put cages on my cameras to protect them. The ones that come with it, to be honest, the factory cage that comes with the DJI Action cameras, it's abysmal. It doesn't come all the way open. It's hard to get the camera in there. It's not a good cage. It's very subpar for the product, which is surprising. So first thing I do is take that cage, throw it in a bag with other stuff that I'm never going to use again, and I get me, an aluminum cage. So this is real similar to the one I have on my action camera right now, and this is probably going to go on my other one. So it's got a little detent here so you can actuate the record button. This is all open. When you need to get to the battery, there's a little slide right here that slides. It's got 2 locks on it, which is nice. Nice little piece of foam right here to protect the camera. Clips on and off. I like the way this looks. I've got a Fitstill brand, Fitstill, I guess, on it right now, but I may put this on my second one just to differentiate it. It's a different color, a little bit different design, and see how it works on my secondary one. So that's it. That's that one. Put that to the side. All right, let's do 2 more little ones. It's the old Sharanti. We've had another product by Sharanti, and I made a really dumb joke, and here it is again. Is that your uncle, or is that your auntie? All right, so this is a really bright and reflective strap for deer hunting. This part here with this loop would go around the antlers or neck. There's no antlers. And then you've got 2 nice padded straps here for your shoulders. And this is so it'll make it a little easier on you to drag drag your deer out the woods if you're not like me and it runs off and you got to look for it. I've never had that problem because I'm just a really good shot, and they all fold up right there, and I don't ever have to go more than a foot because I'm just that awesome. But some people aren't as lucky or as good as me, and you might need to drag it out. So that's what this is for. So seems like real good quality nylon. It's got reflective stripes on it. Nice solid metal thing here. It's even adjustable. So that's cool that it comes in a little carry case. You can throw that in your hunting bag. And if you ever have to go pull your deer out the woods, this makes it a lot easier than having to just bend down and hold the antlers. It's just really awkward, and it's hard to get good leverage and get good momentum, but this will solve that problem for you. Last one. It's a thing of screws. And I'm constantly at Home Depot getting screws, and I saw it didn't say on the description how many were in here, so I didn't know what to expect, but there's this many in here for the price up there, and you can determine if that's, you do the math. I'm not one of those, I can't do math. Numbers confuse me. But they're nice looking screws. They've got these are definitely deck screws, Torx head. Yeah, just a good set of screws if you don't need a whole bunch of them. And if this is a better deal than what Home Depot has, do your own research. Then go for it. Said I'm always looking for extra screws, so I'm gonna get some use out of those. All right, folks, that's my quick little video of things that I picked up recently. Episode 38 is done, in the bag. And I don't know how many of these I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do 40, maybe I'll do 50. I don't know. I have to stop at an even number. If I do like 29 or 37, that would just bother me forever. So I have to do an even number, either 40 or 50. We'll just see how it goes. I've enjoyed doing this. If you like watching it, cool. If not, I'm still gonna do it because I like doing it. I'm having fun learning how to edit and shoot the videos and all that, and this is just something I like to do. But if you get something out of it, that's even better. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking the time. Thanks for watching.